Here are 6 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. Bitcoin increased in price by 11% and Ether by 24.65%. According to figures from the CoinGlass platform, Bitcoin strengthened its market position in May 2024, growing by 11%. Ether saw a 24.65% increase in value. CoinGlass experts attribute the rise in cryptocurrency prices to the approval of spot exchange-traded funds for Ether in the U.S. Historically, the most successful Mays for Bitcoin were in 2017 and 2019, with BTC prices rising by 52.71% and 52.38%, respectively. For Ether, the most profitable Mays were in 2016 and 2017, when the asset's value increased by 62% and 161.43%, respectively. In early May 2024, Bitcoin's price fell below $57,000 amid the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. However, it later rose above $61,000 following U.S. unemployment data. After the release of the latest U.S. inflation figures, Bitcoin surpassed the $67,700 mark, and Ether exceeded $3,800. Second, news. Tether invested $100 million in the mining company Bitdeer. USDT stablecoin issuer Tether Holdings Limited has invested $100 million in Bitdeer Technologies Group, an American Bitcoin mining company owned by Chinese billionaire Jihan Wu. On May 30, 2024, Bitdeer sold Tether 1858730 classic common shares. The largest stablecoin issuer also holds an option to purchase an additional 5 million shares at $10 each. Bitdeer, founded in 2018 as a Bitmain subsidiary, manages data centers in the US, Norway, and Bhutan, handling equipment procurement, logistics, and construction. The company also offers advanced cloud capabilities for AI-intensive tasks. According to the statement, Bitdeer plans to use these funds for developing ASIC-based mining rigs and supporting corporate activities. We consider Bitdeer one of the strongest vertically integrated operators in the Bitcoin mining industry, distinguished by its advanced technology and robust organization. Bitdeer's proven efficiency and world-class management team perfectly align with Tether's long-term strategic vision. We look forward to close collaboration with Bitdeer in several key infrastructure areas in the future, said Tether's CEO Paulo Ardoino. Cantor Fitzgerald & Company acted as the placement agent for the deal. Bitdeer has not registered securities under the Securities Act of 1933 or state laws, so it cannot sell them in the U.S. The company plans to file registration statements with the SEC for the resale of shares issued in this private placement. The deal is a significant step for Tether, which aims to become a major player in BTC mining. Last year, the USDT issuer began building mining facilities in Uruguay, Paraguay, and El Salvador. However, mining is just one of Tether's current focuses. The company is actively diversifying its activities beyond core operations. In April, it was reorganized into 4 divisions: Tether Data, Tether Finance, Tether Power, and Tether Edu. This restructuring aims to expand its influence in various sectors of the emerging crypto industry. The strategy has proven successful, as evidenced by its financial results. In the first quarter, Tether reported significant profits. USDT capitalization reached a record $111 billion, accounting for 77% of trading volume among the 10 largest stablecoins on centralized exchanges. Tether's investment in Bitdeer is a strategic move in developing the crypto economy. By supporting Bitcoin mining, the company ensures a critical ecosystem component. This step aligns with Tether's broader strategy to diversify its portfolio and strengthen USDT's stability and reliability through blockchain technology investments. Third, news. 3 token unlocks to watch next week. A token unlock refers to the release of tokens that were previously frozen under investment rounds or other funding programs. Teams usually carefully design tokenomics to avoid significant seller pressure during various unlock stages and prevent a token price crash. However, factors such as liquidity shortages or early investors taking profits immediately after token unlocks can severely impact asset prices. 1. Liquidity, LQTY. Unlock date, June 5. Number of unlocked tokens, 657,350 LQTY. Current circulating supply, 960833136 LQTY. LQTY is the native token of the decentralized lending platform Liquidity, which issues loans in the LUSD stablecoin at a 0% interest rate using ETH as collateral. LQTY holders can stake their coins to receive a portion of the fees generated when opening and closing loans. The tokens unlocked on June 5 will be distributed among the team and project advisors. 2. Galx, GAL. Unlock date, June 5. Number of unlocked tokens, 2,030,000 gallons. Current circulating supply, 115,513,331 gallons. Galx, previously known as Project Galaxy, is the largest Web3 credential network, helping brands and developers create robust decentralized products. The GAL token can be used to pay for the Galaxy Oracle Engine and Credential API. Additionally, its holders have voting rights on important decisions within Project Galaxy DAO. The tokens released in the next unlock will be allocated to the project team, Galx Fund, and community. 3. Hashflow, HFT. Unlock date, June 7th. Number of unlocked tokens, 136200000 HFT. Current circulating supply, 406015114 HFT. Hashflow is a decentralized exchange providing interoperability, zero slippage, and trading protection from MEV attacks. It offers an integrated cross-chain swap function without using bridges or synthetic assets, allowing free trading on one or multiple networks with guaranteed price execution. The protocol's native token is HFT. Users can stake it to access various features of the Hashflow ecosystem. On June 7th, the project team will unlock over 13 million HFT, which will be distributed among developers, early investors, and community members. 4th news. Funds outflow from European Bitcoin ETFs has reached $500 million since the beginning of the year. European spot Bitcoin ETFs are facing significant losses this year due to high competition with U.S. exchange-traded funds. According to Morningstar analysts, net outflows from European Bitcoin funds since January have exceeded $500 million, despite growing demand for the flagship cryptocurrency itself. According to WisdomTree Investment Company's head of research, Pierre Debreu, client interest in European crypto ETPs has significantly increased since Bitcoin ETFs were launched in the U.S. in January. On the other hand, these same ETFs have created unprecedented competition, resulting in a new commission environment in Europe that has forced local issuers to lower their fees. For example, BlackRock and Fidelity, managing the first and third largest spot Bitcoin ETFs, offer an annual management fee of 0.25%. Early buyers receive a significant service discount. As a result, European Bitcoin fund issuers, particularly Invesco, WisdomTree, and CoinShares, have reduced their fees from 0.9% to 0.4%. The manager of the Canadian Bitcoin fund Fidelity Advantage also reduced fees from 0.95% to 0.39%, although this was done in January, the day the American ETFs launched. 5th news. China has begun cracking down on the display of crypto wealth on social media. Social media users are accustomed to seeing crypto millionaires post photos of their luxurious lifestyles. Recently, Chinese authorities deemed such behavior inappropriate. The country's internet regulator has declared the display of wealth on social media illegal, and following this, China's Cyberspace Administration deleted several celebrity accounts. Among them was China's Kim Kardashian, Wang Hongguangxing, with 4.3 million followers. Her account now displays a notice that content is unavailable due to discipline violations. If materialism begins to spread, it could negatively influence teenagers, wrote Beijing News. Therefore, this trend of displaying luxury online must be stopped. A typical status symbol of crypto wealth is, of course, a Lamborghini, with the cheapest used models selling for $84,000. New models far exceed $200,000. Since 2018, crypto millionaires worldwide have flaunted their Lamborghinis, Rolex watches, designer outfits, and photos from upscale resorts. Notably, crypto millionaires with ties to mainland China maintain a restrained presence on social media. For example, BTC China's co-founder Bobby Lee does not post any of the above, although he has been buying Bitcoin since 2011 when they were below $10. Similarly, Yi He, the mother of Changpeng Zhao's child living in China and managing Binance's billion-dollar assets, presents herself very modestly in public. Getting an accurate picture of Chinese residents' crypto wealth is not easy, although investors from the Asian country have always dominated Bitcoin mining, and the founders of crypto projects have earned 6- and 7-figure incomes since their ICOs. 6th news. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission has published a list of crypto exchanges eligible for licensing. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, has unveiled a list of cryptocurrency exchanges eligible to apply for a license to operate in this special administrative region of China. According to the document, the list includes 16 trading platforms: HKBDX, VDX, HKVX, PantherTrade, Accumulus, DFX Labs, Bixin.com, XWhale, BitV, YAX, Bullish, Crypto.com, Whalefin, Matrixport HK, HKX, Bitcoin World. The agency clarified that the list is regularly updated, and operators of listed platforms may not receive a license if they improperly file applications or fail to address their fundamental issues. Among offshore registered companies, only Singapore-based Crypto.com is included in the list of applicants. Several other similar offshore firms, including OKX, Bybit, HTX, and Binance, have withdrawn their applications to operate in Hong Kong. According to crypto journalist Colin Wu, the SFC demanded that companies provide guarantees that they would not serve clients from mainland China, regardless of their location worldwide.